You think you're broke because of your salary. You're not. You're broke because of three numbers sitting in your account right now that you've never actually looked at. Today, you find all three. Open your last payslip, not the yearly number, the one at the bottom. $62,000 sounds like a real salary. Say it out loud, it still sounds fine. Now subtract tax, subtract rent, subtract the 2 hours a day you spend just getting to and from the job that pays you that number. Keep subtracting. Subtract the coffee you buy because you're too tired to make it at home after those 2 hours. Subtract the takeout on the nights you don't have the energy left to cook. $13.84 an hour. That's the real number. That's what you're actually worth on paper, and nobody told you that when they handed you the offer letter. Here's what that hourly number is quietly funding. Open your bank app. Search recurring. Some of these you use. Most of them you forgot you had. A trial you meant to cancel in March. An app you downloaded once, in January, for a trip you never took. A streaming service you haven't opened in 4 months, still charging you like you watch it every night. $47 a month. $564 a year. 3.5 weeks of your real hourly rate gone for nothing you asked for twice. So, before we get to the third number, because this one's the one that actually changes something. Last number. Everything you own minus everything you owe. Most people never do this math because they're scared of the answer. You've already done the scarier math twice today. This one's just addition and subtraction. Savings plus whatever's in your brokerage account if you have one, minus your credit card balance, minus what's left on any loan. Whatever that number is, write it down. It's not the number that matters. It's that you now know it, and most people your age never will. Now put all three numbers next to each other. $13.84 an hour. $564 a year, gone, and the number you just wrote down. That third number is the only one that moves. The first two are just where it's leaking from. Here's what nobody's saying out loud. The third number isn't small because you failed at something. It's small because the first two numbers have been quietly eating it for years, and this is the first time you've put them side by side. Do the $564 leak again next year. Same subscriptions, same forgetting. That's $1,128 gone in 2 years for services you can't even name. Now do the opposite. Cancel it this week. Move that $47 a month into whatever holds your net worth number. 2 years from now, that's not $1,128 gone. It's $1,128 sitting there, plus whatever it earned just existing. Same starting point. Two completely different numbers. The only thing that changed is whether you looked. You found the leak. You found the real number. But there's a second leak. This one isn't in your spreadsheet, it's in your bank's terms and conditions, and it's costing you more than your rent. Next video, I'm showing you the exact clause and how to shut it down before it takes another payment.